Oh, you just gave me an idea later. I had to hook up with someone in the car. Can I bring it, Mark? Damn it, I look so fucking right, dude. I look so fucking. You are such a fucking bitch. You look what? You look so super evangelistic expialidocious. Here we are today. Your college food is Muslim. Oh! It's not like the other high school. You have hair? Hmm? You have hair? Not really. What are you saying? Don't worry there. What is that?
Some guy in his hair. No, listen guys. This guy's dick is so small.
You had to look for it?
No, not him. The guy from last night. It was, I mean, he was so hot. I'm like, this guy's so hot. And then when I saw the dick, I'm like,
did you have to look for it?
It was okay, the length, because it's like,
did you
like 6 inches, but it was so thin.
Was it
like
Filipino?
This thin.
You're like, you gotta work with that 24/7.
What? Look, this guy is kind of cute. Look, he said, hey. Let's say hi.
Hi.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, hi. You better not